Today I want to talk about growing guava. The highlights are guava is very easy to grow here in Phoenix. They can be in-ground or container grown. They will take all day sun. Even as a young plant, you do not need to shade them. They are a little cold sensitive when young. So the first couple winters, if you have a young tree that has not gotten good size to it yet, and we're going to see freezing or below, I'd recommend giving it some protection. Guavas are not overly fussy about the pH. They are listed at 6 to 7. We run 8.5 here in Phoenix. They seem to do okay, but if you can bring the pH down a notch, they're going to grow that much faster. They don't need a ton of food. If you can re-up them a couple times a year with some fresh compost, worm castings, maybe some fish emulsion, seaweed every month or two in the growing season, that's all they're really going to need. Super easy plant, a lot of medicinal uses for the fruit and the leaves. Very high in vitamin A, B, and C. Not in that particular order. A few different varieties that we carry here at the nursery are the Taiwanese white, which is a very productive tree, medium-sized fruit, soft-seeded, white flesh. We also carry the kilo guava, which is the largest of all the guavas. These can range 1 to 2 pounds. Few seeds relative to the amount of flesh. Can be eaten crisp. Still is a good eating guava before it is fully ripe. We also carry Homestead Pink, a medium-sized fruit. Few to moderate seeds, pink flesh, yellow skin when ripe, sweet flavor. We also carry Barbie Pink, which is also a pink flesh guava, sweet, medium-sized fruit. Now, a few other varieties of guavas that we have that have a little bit different growing requirements would be the pineapple guava, which is going to want some afternoon shade in the summer here in Phoenix. They're going to grow that much better if they're getting that. They seem to struggle with the hot sun, even as mature. I happen to like the taste of the flowers more so than the fruit on these guys. Many other people like the fruit, though. I'm a picky eater. Also, we have the lemon and the strawberry guavas, which are a smaller variety of guava. Heavy producers. These guys are also going to prefer some afternoon shade in the summertime here. These here are about 4 years old in the pots, and they're putting out hundreds and hundreds of fruits. Like I said, a smaller fruit, not as easy to eat. In my opinion, a little bit more flavor. Guava has very many uses for the leaves and the fruits, many different dishes that you can use it in. Leaves can be used in tea. Again, this is a good tree for the beginning gardener. Very easy to grow, low maintenance. Can be container grown, does not need to be shaded if it's in ground. If you have any questions, please ask in our Facebook group, Living the Green Life. Our Instagram page is Seamus_O'Leary_. Our webpage is greenlifebyseamusoleary.com. If you have any questions, please ask.